guys. Welcome to Tutor Sisters channel. Please subscribe to our channel to help us grow.
In today's video, we will talk about 4 levels of the essay Why Go to University by Moti Nisani. Now, without any delay, let's get right into it. Before starting the 4 levels, let's talk about the author a little bit. Moti Nisani was born on March 27, 1947 in Jerusalem, Palestine. He accomplished degrees in genetics, philosophy, and psychology. During the 1995-96 academic year, he served as a Fulbright scholar at Tribhuvan University, Nepal. In 2000, he served as an advisor to that university's honors program. He also authored Lives in the Balance, The Cold War and American Politics. Now let's get into the 4 levels, and starting with literal comprehension. Being in university for a long time makes us scrutinize its worth. It might induce the feeling of burden and distress physically as well as emotionally. Furthermore, it involves critical comparison of grades of one's work, which determines chorus. Ignorance and bliss are the source of happiness sometimes. The knowledge has invented several social and environmental issues. However, as exacting and tiring as it seems, university education can totally turn around one's life. The justifications in the favor of university education are as follows. A university degree ensures better employment opportunities and widens the scope for promotion. This directly contributes to higher income and better social status. Furthermore, the opportunities for career advancement are also inclined. Having said that, the educated citizens with a degree are the true wealth of any country. The knowledge can be practically applied in life. Education makes a person act rationally and become reasonable and tolerant. The educated people are well aware of the hazards of smoking, overweight, lack of exercise, and stress. They are healthier in comparison to other groups of people. Like any other piece of equipment, the brain requires constant exercise to keep it healthy and working. Education keeps it exercised. A sound mind is a sound body. Educated people are more cultured, self-confident, and well-behaved. Education arouses the feeling of inquisitiveness in people to explore and learn more. Going to university also expands the social horizons and widens companionship, personal growth, and friendship. Education enhances one's ability to make smart choices considering their freedom. Knowledge about the universe, education regarding the environment and nature are extremely important. Democracy and education are very closely linked. That is, educated people are more likely to make sensible decisions while choosing their representatives. Let's move to the second part, that is interpretation. The text seems to be trying to tell us that going to university plays a vital role in our lives. Although the journey and expenses create extra strain physically and mentally as well as economically, the entire process is still worth it. The text depicts how some cons that we try to exaggerate are easily overpowered by the pros of going to the university. It implies that educated people can have prestigious social standing through job, income, and career. Knowledge also practically makes a person more rational and reasonable. They tend to be healthier than the ones who don't go to university. The knowledge keeps the mind exercised, hence making it healthier and well. Furthermore, the educated people are comparatively well-cultured and confident. The text also implies that education makes a person more eager and exploring. Going to university for education expands our social horizons. It makes us more sociable and increases our personal freedom. It holds the power to rescue us from the cave of darkness and eliminate us. Although we don't know much about the universe, education acquaints us with the knowledge of the environment and the nature. The text also focuses on inseparable link between education and democracy. It exhibits how the educated people are most likely to make a reasonable decision while selecting a representative for the greater good. Moving towards the critical thinking, the core idea of the essay that education and going to university is a major part of anyone's life is unarguable. I completely stand by all the advantages of university education exhibited in the text. Also, the writer's way of presenting the disadvantages of going to university at the very beginning of the text to make the readers alert is extremely admirable. However, there are certain statements that I find unconvincing. For the development of any nation, aren't the resources most prominent? Is it really necessary for a person to be educated in order to become well-cultured, self-confident, and free? If we observe the scenario of Nepal, are all the university graduates employed? Also, the text advocates for the benefit of education to be healthy, but aren't they more prone to health hazards due to their table work? Similarly, is it necessary that only going to university arouses inquisitiveness? Then what about all those legendary scientists who discovered many theories and had many great inventions? They were successful not by going to university but by their own inner curiosity. Although I don't agree with these specific details, I completely agree with the theme of the text that emphasizes the importance of education. Finally, the last part, that is assimilation. After reading this piece of text, I realized that the stress and burden we feel because of university does not actually stand a chance against the imponderable benefits it has. It endowed me with the knowledge that education not only opens the opportunity for job and income, but has other ample advantages. Also, it acquainted me with the role of education to flourish our rationality, sensibility, and freedom. By going through this text, I realized how much going to university has expanded my social horizons. It has made me more sociable and I can easily get along with people around me. Moreover, it has made me more confident and I can feel the actual personal growth in myself. So this was all for the 4 levels of I go to university. Thank you.
If you liked this video, please share it with your friends. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos.